Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set lock screen pattern in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. First of all, you have to go to the settings and then go to lock screen. Then go to screen lock type. Here select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. Here I would like to set this pattern. Click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify. Click confirm. It will ask you to do some changes here. If you would like to get the notifications on the lock screen, just turn on it. Otherwise you can turn off this button. Okay, then in the notifications, if you want to show only icons, then we can choose first option. So icons like this will be showing on the locked screen itself. If you want to show the details, then click on second one and detailed notifications will be shown on the lock screen. Okay, if you are okay with it, just click on done and it will ask you to back up your pattern. Just click on continue and you go to sign in to your Samsung account. For that you can also cancel it and later you can sign in. Okay, I cancel it now and it's set now. That is pattern is set now. Put lock screen and try to open with your pattern that you set now. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily set a screen lock pattern or lock screen pattern for your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.